Hello friends, welcome back to this episode, and in this episode we are going to discuss the further review of the book Obstacles the Way, written by Ryan Holiday. Ryan Holiday has tried to explain about the principle of perception through some more examples, and this time in this chapter he took the example of a middleweight champions of the time in 1960s. We are just going back to that period. In 1960s in America, there was a black boxer, and that black boxer, his name was the Hurricane, and formerly he was known as the Rubin Carter. Unfortunately, he was involved in one of the incidents that turned his life completely. He was accused of a triple murder. He knew that he was innocent. He was given the punishment of the crime which he never committed, and the crime was a triple murder crime, and the sentence was the life sentence, 3 life sentence. For any other ordinary man, it could be a shattering life. It could be completely shattered and completely ruinous for him. But at the day when he had to report to the jail warden, he wore his best and most expensive suit at the time, and also wore his $5,000 watch as well as his golden ring. As he entered the jail, he just went to meet the warden. He just looked into his eyes and said that though you cannot do anything with the injustice that has been done to me, but I am still ready to stay here till I am walk free. But I will never be treated just like a prisoner, because he thinks himself that he was not a prisoner. Right from that day, he utilized his each and every minute, the time which he spent to prepare for the legal cases, to study philosophy, to be a better man. And for them, it was quite surprising to see that throughout the period, he did not disturb anybody. He was not in rage. He was not complaining to anybody. Rather, he was cool, quite composed, and he was telling to himself that it is he himself that who will decide that what he will react to the conditions. He was not reacting aggressively or negatively to the conditions which suddenly came. Rather, he tried to utilize the time, try to be a better man, and try to see that how he can come out. And it took 19 years, 2 trials to overturn the older verdict, and he came out successfully. After coming here, he had a choice. He could sue the US judiciary for the damage, but he decided not to talk anything about that, because he thought that otherwise it would be told that as something they have taken out of him. Rather, he transformed himself. He used the imprisonment, a workshop, to transform himself into a better man. To honor his struggle, a movie was made on his name. The name of the movie was Hurricane, and the role was played by one of the best actors of the time. His name was Denzel Washington. That movie won a number of awards at the time. Even the famous musician of the time, Bob Dylan, also wrote one of the songs in protest against the racism that was prevalent in that time. And the name of the song was also Hurricane. This is the man that who decided not to revenge, not to show negativity because of the injustice that has been done to him. Rather, he transformed himself and utilized his time and energy for the betterment of the self as well as the betterment of the people. When he came out, he became a beacon, he became a light source for all the peoples. He utilized all his time for the betterment of the people, to fight against the injustice, to spread awareness about the racism and its effect. Now he is no more among us, but despite of all these things, he is considered to be one of the most polite boxer of that time because he did not utilize anything wrong. He used all of his energy for the betterment, for the people, for the society, and for the nation. This is all in this episode. We will come back with further review of the book. Till then, goodbye.